Are you still guessing what works on LinkedIn? Well, stop wasting time. I'm about to show you how to build a data backed LinkedIn strategy using AI so you can stop throwing spaghetti at the wall and start posting with confidence. No pricey tools, no complicated automations, just ChatGPT. Your first step in managing LinkedIn for a new client is to do some competitive research. You'll want to understand the type of content that does and does not perform well with your target audience. The best way to do this is to go to your client and ask them for their top 3 to 5 competitors. Then you'll navigate to LinkedIn and look through each of those competitors' LinkedIn feeds to analyze their posts. You'll want to look for things like, are they using text posts, videos, polls, carousels? There's so many different types of content that you can use on LinkedIn. Take note of what the audience is reacting well to and what it's ignoring, and this will help give you an idea of what that target audience likes. Unfortunately, right now, ChatGPT can't directly analyze LinkedIn feeds, so this is a manual process. However, there is a little bit you can do to save some time. So go through all these competitors. Put your findings into a document about what's working well and what's not. Input that information into ChatGPT. Ask it to summarize trends from that information, and this will save you hours of manual work. I've included a prompt in the description below for your easy reference. Step 2 is to analyze past LinkedIn performance. So if your client already has a LinkedIn presence, this next step is going to give you key insights into what type of content is and isn't working for them. Here's how you're going to do it. I've included an AI prompt in the description down below. You can simply copy and paste that and change out a couple of the variable fields. I'm going to walk you through it now so you can see exactly how it works. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, I'm in the Lawton Solutions account. It is a company page, and you will have to request access to your new client's company page in order to do this. But obviously, they should be happy to give that to you since you'll be managing their LinkedIn. So navigate down here to Analytics, and this will bring you to all of the LinkedIn analytics. Currently, I'm on the Content tab, and I'm going to go to the Date range. I'm going to select last 365 days because I really want to take a look at past post performance over the year and hit Export to export all of that data. It is going to export in an Excel file, so just save that to your computer. All right, so now I'm in the opened Excel file, and we need to convert this to a CSV because ChatGPT won't accept the Excel file. It'll only do CSV. And so in order to do that, I'm going to delete this metrics tab because we don't need it. Delete, and then I'm left with the all posts tab, and this has all of the post information like content. If you scroll, it's got impressions, clicks, engagements, a whole bunch of data. So now let's just save this file as a CSV. And so now we're in ChatGPT, and I'm going to have Chat analyze that CSV of LinkedIn data that we just downloaded. So I've inputted a prompt into ChatGPT. I will have this in the description below so you can easily copy and paste it and swap out some variables for your own use. But basically, we're telling Chat that you are a data analyst with expertise in social media performance metrics. I need you to deliver an analysis on the overall performance of this LinkedIn page and summarize it for me. Tell me what is high performing content, what is low, and give me actionable insights based on that. Also, I want it to deliver charts showing trends over time. I want it to define content pillars that I can base my content strategy around. And finally, I want it to give me a social media plan based on the findings. So I am going to upload the CSV file that we just downloaded from LinkedIn, and let's submit it to Chat. All right, so ChatGPT is done analyzing. Let's see what it delivered. Starting with top performing posts, I did specify in the prompt that it should categorize the best performers by number of impressions, which is a pretty good indicator of success. However, if you'd rather use click-through rate, engagement rate, number of clicks, feel free to change that. We've also got the bottom performing posts that you can peruse through. We've got some charts down here. These are great if you just wanted to send them over to your client for their reference to see how they're trending over time. And below the charts, we have some key findings and analysis, like some metrics totals. Under that, we have actionable recommendations from ChatGPT, like how to optimize for reach, content experiments we can run, and so on. Below that, it defined content pillars based on the best performing content. So, AI in marketing, industry insights and trends, these are all great pillars to base our content strategy around. And then finally, below that, we have a social media plan, which details how often we should be posting, some examples of topics, and how to performance track. So, this is a great social media plan. One little AI tip I'll mention is that you don't just have to use ChatGPT for this. You can definitely experiment with other tools like Claude, Gemini, or DeepSeek. Personally, I've been using DeepSeek a lot lately, and it's great. So I definitely encourage you to check out other tools too, and then you can cross-reference between the outputs. So what if you're working with a client who doesn't have past LinkedIn post history? Maybe they have a brand new LinkedIn page. In that case, we can use ChatGPT to analyze their website and come up with a social media strategy based off of that. It's not going to be quite as specific and quite as good, but it's still a good starting place. So for that, I'm back in chat and I have this prompt, which again, you can get down below in the description. And it's basically saying you are an expert LinkedIn social media marketer. Analyze LatinSolutions.com and deliver a LinkedIn social media strategy with the goal of increasing brand awareness. Again, you can swap out the terminology for your needs. So let's go ahead and submit that to chat. And I'll also mention I am using ChatGPT Model 4.0, and I do have the web search turned on. And now chat is delivering a social media strategy complete with some different information, including content pillars, how to optimize the company page, how to engage with the target audience, importance of leveraging employee advocacy, and so on. So again, not quite as good as uploading targeted data from past posts, but still a really excellent starting point, and it literally took me 1 minute to do it. So that's how you use AI to generate a LinkedIn social media plan in just a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and if you're interested in this topic, be sure to catch my previous video where I talked about how to get started as an AI-powered LinkedIn social media manager. Thanks for watching.